Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel. And you might say, what the Beatles have to do with technology? Well, they do have quite a lot to do with technology lately. We talk a lot about AI here. We did talk several videos, and we talked about the bad AI, the worrying type of artificial intelligence. But I think we have to give a hand here to how, when it's used for good, amazing things can happen. And for those that most of you probably know, I mean, this has been talked about so much, but in case you would maybe live in a cave somewhere, the Beatles' new song, Now and Then, has been actually done, and the possibility of having it is done because of AI. And the reason is that for a long time they took this John Lennon song, but it was too noisy. It had too much problems in the audio to be fixed. There was no way to clean it up properly and do something about it. But they had tried, and everybody had collaborated and trying to do something, but they abandoned the project a long time ago. And now somebody came up and said, hey, you know what? I think AI could be used here in looking at the details and fine tuning the song to remove all the anomalies, all the things around it that shouldn't be there, clean it up, and then put all the track together and make a Beatles song. So I wanted to just say that this is a great way and a positive way of using the artificial intelligence, and I think there's going to be a lot of that for multiple reasons. I've seen quite a few things about how AI is capable of detecting all sorts of disease and cancer way before actually any doctor has seen anything. So that's the positive side of AI that we have to also focus on, how it will possibly make things a lot better. And I think this is a great example. In the link in the description below, in case you haven't seen it, I posted the link to the song. So check it out if you haven't seen it. For me, it was kind of emotional. It kind of tells us, we're moving on, as this is kind of tagged as the last ever Beatles song. And seeing the past and the present, and the song is great, actually. So kudos to AI for this. And I think this is where we have to focus our AI. It's in the positive of all the beautiful things that it can do. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and do watch the Beatles video. The link is in the description.